just come down and help other people and throughout this disaster. It's been very grateful. It's been a great experience.
Knowing that they now have electricity, because they were only going to school a couple hours. Now they can go all day till 3 o'clock, and so they were thrilled. And that's just wherever we go up this mountain, it's just called Agua Buenas, Good Water Mountain. And that's the area we're in. As we go up the mountain, the people are so receptive.
Me siento emocionada porque la luz está de regreso.
PPL are great guys, great angels, because they bring us back the power, work with passion. They are great human beings and very special people. And we'll be a lucky community to have them working down there with us. Thank you so much.